She's following her dreams and inspiring others. Baby has every lunch container you can think of. The bento, the bento-go. Everything we've tried, I really like Sistema. Needed something bigger, and I was not about to pay $49 for the bento-go box. The one, okay, the steel one. And it was not a steal. I should have stole it, though. I should have stole it. 3 chicken from the night before, so I just made some gravy with that and put it over rice for our lunch. Sure to put care into my lunches as well, because I love us. Honest Gummies. I like the Honest brand. He was completely dairy-free the first year and a half of his life. I started buying cheese and stuff again. I'm about to fix that. I really know how to make everything taste the same without using actual cheese. I'm picking out our clothes. For some reason, his jeans are damp, so we had to go with some sweatpants this day. Things on his wall my mom and I actually made when I was pregnant with him. First, his nursery was like a royal blue and gold theme. Oh, I'm trying to get his new bed. I want to like give him different decor and everything, but I really don't know why, cause he don't be in there. He be sleeping with me. Stuff in the car. It's early in the morning, and then we head off. I was a stay-at-home mom. I mean, obviously I was always an entrepreneur as well, but I stayed with my baby 24/7 until he was exactly 2. I think anybody really should parent 24/7. If that's your twist, fine, but no, this is my twist, and I almost went insane. Postpartum depression was calling my name. But God.